Well, hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about University of Mannheim. But before that, if you are someone who is looking for a study in Germany, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of your doubts. University of Mannheim is a public research university located at Mannheim, Germany. It was established in the year 1967. The university offers undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs specifying into social science, computer science, mathematics, business administration and many more. The university enrolls over 11,000 plus students on campus and there are around 1,600 academic staff. The acceptance rate for this university is around 10 to 30%. Top bachelor's and master's programs to study in this university are media and communication, philosophy, psychology, law, social science, computer science and many more. The university ranked around 776 as per the best global university. Eligibility criteria for this university is the English proficiency examinations such as IELTS and TOEFL. IELTS score ranging between 6 to 6.5 and TOEFL score ranging between 72 to 79. These are the basic requirements for both the bachelor's and the master's program. The bachelor specific requirements are the student need to score 2.5 GPA in their 10th and 12th grade, official transcripts of their 10th and 12th grade, SOP and LORs. The master specific requirements are the student need to score 2.5 GPA in their bachelor's degree, official transcripts of their bachelor's degree, GRE or GMAT scores if required for certain courses, German languages, SOP, LOR and resume. The university doesn't require any application fee during the application. The tuition fee for both bachelor's and master's program is 1,500 euros for per semester. The university offers scholarship and accommodation to all of the international students. The scholarship is specifically given on the merit basis and the accommodation are provided to all of the international students. For more detailed information on scholarship and accommodation, you can check out the link in the description box below. Coming to the last part of the video, that is jobs and salaries. The average base salary of an alumni graduated from this university usually ranges between 60,000 euros to 70,000 euros depending on the profile, location and more importantly the career background. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.